Get this clock spring apart. I have a knife here, but you're going to take a screwdriver and bend these tabs all the way down. Okay, bend them super hard. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see this second one, how I bent it all the way down. Bend them all the way down. Then you're going to flip it over, and you should be able to pop this retaining clip right off. After you do that, see those 6 pins right there? I just peeled back some of that tape, and I'm soldering all those 6 pins with a fine tip solder iron right here, and some fine solder right there. Okay, I will show you how to take apart the clock spring shortly.